Hey friends, it's Lynn here. Today I'm sharing one of my favorite ways to enjoy healthy eating, and it tastes amazing. A fresh apple spinach salad paired with my homemade wild orange vinaigrette. I love meals like this because getting more greens and fiber into our diet doesn't have to be complicated. Eating vibrant whole foods can support your energy, digestion, and heart health. And when the flavor is good, you'll actually want to eat your greens. Okay, let's start by putting together our simple, delicious salad. Today, I'm going to use a big handful of spinach, and then I like adding sliced apples for some sweetness and crunch. And you can add dried cranberries or berries, whatever you love. And to top it off, I like adding some pecans for healthy fats and texture. This combination gives you vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber all in one dish. It's beautiful to look at and it tastes even better. Now let's make this yummy, healthy wild orange vinaigrette. It brings everything together with the perfect balance of sweet, tangy, creamy, and bright citrus. So here's what you'll need. 1 cup extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1/3 cup balsamic vinegar, and then 2 tablespoons of mayo, a half a cup of brown sugar, and then you'll have some sea salt and black pepper to taste. And most importantly, you're going to add 4 drops of CPTG wild orange essential oil. Wild orange is known for supporting heart health and boosting mood, so not only does it taste amazing, but it helps you feel amazing too. Just whisk this together or shake it in a jar until everything is smooth and blended. The wild orange brings out this bright, refreshing flavor that ties the whole salad together. Once you try it, you'll just want to drizzle on everything. Now let's pour it over your salad. Fresh greens, sweet fruit, crunchy nuts, and that citrus-kissed dressing. This is healthy eating at its best. One of the simplest ways you can support your wellness is by adding more whole foods, especially greens and fiber, into your daily routine. Recipes like this make it easy, delicious, and totally doable for the whole family. And when you layer in the benefits of CPTG essential oil like wild orange for mood and heart health, you're elevating your meals and your wellness at the same time. If you want to try this wild orange vinaigrette at home, I'll add the recipe below. And if you'd like to grab your own CPTG wild orange essential oil, you'll find that link in the description. It's one of my favorite companions in the kitchen. I'm also sharing a guide of 100 uses of essential oils. You'll be amazed at all that essential oils can do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who loves healthy, delicious food. I can't wait for you to try this one. And you guys enjoy every bite. See you next time.